Welcome to our tutorial about creating arcs. Let's begin by clearing our sketching area. We'll select and delete everything. Now I'm going to select the Line tool. And let's create a line. In order to create an arc, I simply hold down the mouse button and drag. Depending upon the direction I drag in, I create a perpendicular or tangent arc. You see the tangency symbol appears here, as well as the tracking line. Let's finish my sketch. Right-click, Done. Now let's create a tangent arc. Let's say from this point to this point. Let's create another arc, something like this. Now let's take a look at the three-point arc. Let's create our first point, second point, and point number 3. Another tool here is the center point arc. First, we create the center point. Right-click and Done. And this concludes our tutorial about creating arcs.